Hi cyber sisters and misters. In today's video, I'm repairing my old ring light and I'm unboxing my new ring light. So if you'd like to see more, stay with me. Silly me. I have been putting off repairing this ring light for so long because I thought it was going to be such a difficult repair. Actually, I thought I was going to have to replace the entire light. But I saw the parts adapter online, just browsing on the ring light website one day. And I thought, you know what? I can fix this myself. This is not going to be a big deal. And sure enough, this turned out to be the easiest repair that I've made for any of my recording equipment thus far. One is missing. But before I get into all of this technical and repair mumbo jumbo, let me give a proper introduction. But first I wanted to tell you all, oh my goodness, guys, I miss you all so much. It feels like I haven't seen you all in a long time, like forever. So come on in. Virtual hugs and kisses for everybody. Welcome back, subscribers. And if you're new, I'm Nicolette, aka Sunkissed Nick. So my ring light had been leaning to the side for a few months. I was having to use tape to get it to stand up right so it wouldn't be so wobbly and unstable. So I did fail to take photos before I got started, but with this reconstructed picture that I've done here, I think you get the gist. I wasn't sure exactly what was going on inside, but I knew that something was broken. I was on the Neewer ring light website and I saw that the adapters are sold separately. So from there, I went over to the Amazon site and I ordered an adapter for $25. 2 shipping days later, I went about fixing it myself. Now, for the longest time, I didn't realize that this piece was broken. I thought that it was leaning due to something that I was doing incorrectly with the ring light. But come to find out, as you can see here, that little piece in the middle had split right there, just split. And there was nothing that I could have done to cause this damage, short of dropping it or something like that, which I don't remember, ever dropping it when I was assembling it or anything. And I know I've never dropped the ring light itself. It's never falling over or anything like that. So I don't know what happened to it, to tell you the truth, but I really believe that it was defective when I purchased it. I just didn't notice it because even after like a week after assembling it, I noticed that it was leaning. I would tighten it, loosen it, rearrange it this way and that way. But that's all water under the bridge now, so I'm moving on. So I'm almost done. I removed the old adapter and I'm about to add the final screws and tighten them on the new adapter. Now I hope you've been following along because I didn't explain as I was going along what I was doing or anything like that. It was definitely as simple as unscrewing 4 screws, removing the old part, replacing the new part, and adding 4 new screws into place. And that's pretty much it. I purchased this LED Neewer light on Amazon back in 2019. It's still hella bright, hella effective. No complaints there. That's all. But like many shoppers, I can rarely walk in and out of the store with only what I intended to buy. The store in this case is Amazon, a virtual store, but you know how that goes. I'm sure some of you can relate. So I saw this LED Neewer light, and I decided that I wanted to get it so I could have a second light, one for upstairs and one for my downstairs setup. And this one is the 18-inch outer diameter ring light with the top and bottom dual hot shoe. So that's what really attracted me. I can connect my phone or camera to either the top or the bottom. And it also comes with a mirror. I thought that was kind of cute, but in hindsight, that's really not fitting for what I need the ring light for. That's more for makeup artists. Anywho, it also came with the smartphone holder, a light stand, the soft tubes, the color filter for makeup and facial beauty portrait video shooting. Came with the USB plug, came with this nice carrying bag. Of course, comes with the stand, Bluetooth remote. Yeah, it was $99. The shipping was hella fast as usual, but hey, you know what we're talking about, Amazon Prime, period. Y'all, I know Amazon has the monopoly on things, but damn, they make it so convenient for everybody. Somebody got that right. They got it right, I swear. My three-nager was helping me to unbox this thing. It was fun while it lasted. And, you know, he was my number one helper for about 0.5 seconds before he lost interest and darted off to get into something else. But he'll be back. They always return. Don't they, mamas? So part of my hiatus from YouTube has been due to the storms. If you haven't heard, Texas has been going through the storms, literally a massive snowstorm that took everybody by surprise. There was a 100-car pileup that happened not too far from here. That took the life of about 9 or 10 people. There were 9 at last count, but I heard someone say there was actually 10 deaths. So sad, really. Um, there was no power. There were rolling power outages, unsafe drinking water, busted plumbing and pipes, and in the midst of all that, I learned that a couple of close relatives were in quarantine due to having coronavirus. They recovered, thank God. But let's give a moment of silence for those who lost their lives in that horrific crash of Fort Worth.